The FAQ component is used to display knowledge-based articles based on a search term, topic, or field values. And you can see in this example, we show 2 columns. You can show up to 3. So a lot of times this will be used on a support page or any place where you want to show some common FAQ articles based on searching areas within the knowledge base. Optionally, there is a show more link at the bottom of each one of those that'll open up search with that same search criteria and show all the knowledge base articles that relate to that. So let's take a look at how that's actually created. I'm going to go back to the component pack homepage. I'm going to click new. I'm going to select FAQs. I'm going to say FAQ. I'm going to give it a component name, configuration name, and then I can either go through each one of these steps we'll go through, or I can click next right here. And now I'm going to go back and configure it. So you can see there's up to 3 different columns. I can give it a title. And what you see is what you get right here. I can change that font. Show number of articles, show more. All this will work. I can, again, if I didn't want to do the show more, I can just clear that. So for Title 1, let's just say I wanted anything that related to community. So I have a couple different options for searching here. I can go by a search term. I can select a topic to search by. You can see there's no articles found. Let's just search also for the word community. I'm going to clear that. So I'm also just going to clear the title. I'm not going to use that. So you can see I actually have the first one defined. Second one, maybe I want this one to be Forcivity Community, and maybe I want that to be the component pack. And let's put a title on this. You can see this one, so I'm showing common FAQs for community and the component pack. I'm displaying up to 5. I can show more, show less, and I can set a third column. I can also go through a number of different formatting options with colors, spacing, sizing, padding, margins. And then lastly, the last section is just when you start displaying the component in the community, when it ends. So once you place this component in the community, by default, it displays as soon as you hit save. Once you place it in your community, it's all set. If you wanted to start in a week and end 2 weeks later, just put in dates for either one of these on the correct one. That component in your community, when it's published, will start and end on the date specified. And that's the FAQ component.